How to delete your post. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your posts on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and now all you need to do is go to your profile and choose one of your posts. For example, let's choose the last one. All you need to do is click on those 3 points up there beside the post, and here you're gonna find move to trash, and items in your trash are deleted after 30 days, and click on move. If you want to restore this your deleted post, all you need to do is click on those 3 points on your profile, click on archive, and here you're gonna find trash, and you can click on your post and click on restore. And this is it. This is how you can restore your post. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.